Demystifying binary trees and binary search trees. Introduction. Welcome back to our Data Structures and Algorithms series. In this video, we're delving into the fascinating world of binary trees and binary search trees, two fundamental data structures every programmer should understand. Section 1: Understanding binary trees. Let's start with binary trees. A binary tree is a hierarchical data structure composed of nodes where each node can have at most two children. It's like a family tree, branching out in a hierarchical manner. Section 2: Binary search trees. Now, let's introduce binary search trees, BSTs. A BST is a type of binary tree with a specific ordering property. Left children have smaller values, and right children have larger values than their parent nodes. This ordering makes BSTs incredibly efficient for search operations. Section 3: Operations on binary search trees. How do we work with BSTs? We'll explore common operations like insertion, deletion, and searching. I'll walk you through step by step with practical code examples, so you understand how these operations work. Section 4: Balanced versus unbalanced trees. We'll discuss the importance of tree balance. Balanced trees, like AVL trees or red-black trees, optimize operations. Unbalanced trees can lead to performance issues. We'll delve into the trade-offs between them. Section 5: Real-world applications. You might wonder, where are binary trees and BSTs used? We'll explore real-world applications, from database indexing to file systems. I'll illustrate how these concepts are applied in practical scenarios. Conclusion and recap. In summary, we've demystified binary trees and binary search trees. Binary trees have hierarchical structures, while BSTs maintain order. We've explored operations, balance, and real-world applications. Call to action and engagement. If you found this video insightful, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing. Don't hesitate to leave your comments, questions, or suggestions for future topics. End screen. Before we wrap up, check out these suggested videos or playlists for more valuable content. Closing. Thank you for joining us on this journey through binary trees and binary search trees in our Data Structures and Algorithms series. Stay curious, keep coding, and we'll see you in the next video.